पानी पर्छ बेबी हो सानो बेबीहरूले पानी पर्छ है हो अछु हुन्छ Yeah, now baby gonna have rice and dal. You look so cute, baby. Yeah, I mean, it traveled for so long. Yeah, your titi traveled for so long. Oh, yeah. What's that? Can you give mama? Give mama ticket, mama? You wanna give mama? It's Merry Christmas. Give mama. Thank you. Mama gonna put it on her head. Mama gonna put on her head. Yes. Yes. Mama look good.
Meow.
Mama look like a meow. Oh, she does. Mama look like a meow. Okay. It's Can I see that? It's a plane? Wow. Whoosh. Mama go to plane. Yeah, Mama go on a plane. Whoosh. Yeah. And
Hello.
yeah.
Ducky.
What's this? This is a scooter. Scooty. Wow. Nice. Yeah, put it in. Put it in. Now baby put away all his toys and baby eat his dinner. Yeah, good job. Yeah, put it in. Yeah, put that in. Put it in. Oh, Titi guys. Oh. Put it in, put it in, put it in. That goes whoosh. It goes whoosh and up in the sky. Whoosh, yeah. Yeah, this plane is going high up in the sky. Yeah, it's flying. Whoosh, whoosh, high up. Yeah, whoosh. It actually makes like very loud noise, but then we just hear it go whoosh up in the sky. It goes whoosh. Yeah, it does. Whoosh. This plane is flying high up in the sky. Yeah, flying high in the sky. Whoosh. Flying high in the sky. Yes, this plane is flying high. Yes, flying high in the sky. Yeah, what a wonderful plane. Flying high up in the sky.
Red.
Oh, I have to take. Yeah, plane going. Yes, it's flying high up in the sky.
Moon.
Yeah, it's going up to the moon. If it goes to the moon, then it's a rocket. Whoosh. A rocket. And if it goes even further, then it's a space shuttle. Rocket. It's a plane. Yeah, it's a it's a plane. Going high up in the sky. Sky. Yeah, this plane is going up in the sky. Up in the blue sky. This plane is going high up. Up, higher. Yes. Yes, a plane. Where's your plane? Yeah, it landed here. that I gave you is Batman. This was in कति वर्ष बाद बालुरघाटमा म होइन उसको दादाले ब्याटम्यान दिएछ कलेक्सनबाट कलेक्टेबल्स नाइस यस्तो कलेक्टेबल्स नदेखे राम्रो तर अब होइन दामी छ है Batman. Batman. Yeah. Is a bird? It's a plane? No, it's Superman. Yeah, it collided with another vehicle, moving vehicle, and it got hurt.
Yeah. Taco.
Mm.
Mom. You. Three.
Yeah, 3 TT. Yeah, 2, 1, 4. Yeah, 4 TT. Good job. 4 TT. Yes. Good job. 4 TT.
Yeah.
1 plane. But if you want to segregate and go further, then these are 2 trucks. 2 trucks. 1 scooty, 1 plane, 1 dirt bike, and 1 Batman. Who's waiting? Look, baby, it's a Batman. Batman is like, take me. Where's my Batmobile?
Yeah.
Batman, are you Batman? Six? Yeah, a 7th plane. I mean, it's number 7, I guess. Potato. I think we should have dinner now.